Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to download and install PowerToys quickly and easily. So let's get started. So firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Microsoft Store. Tap to open it. Now, in the search bar, type PowerToys. Press enter. Here you will see the results. Then select Microsoft PowerToys from the search results and click the Get button or install button. Here you will see wait for the installation to finish. You will see this is 376 MB. For download or install Microsoft PowerToys, you have good internet connection. It's approximately 2 minutes to complete the download. Now you will see it's almost completed. So once the installation will be complete, we will open this. Downloading 100%. It's completed. Here you will see installing almost done. After the installation will be done, a shortcut will be created on your desktop. Now you will see it will be successfully download. Then click on open to open this Microsoft PowerToys. You can explore all the features and use it in your system, like advanced paste, always on top, awake, color picker. These all you can utilities use. That's it. PowerToys is now installed successfully. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.